my name is Aviva Abrams, and I'm the owner of Aviva Pilates Studio in Miami Design District. Thank you so much for joining me. This is day 2 of our closed studio policy due to coronavirus. We're going to be doing at-home exercises so that you can continue to do your fitness goals, balance your mind and body. Thank you for joining me. So today we're going to start with a breath exercise that's going to teach you how to strengthen your transverse abdominis. So the first thing we're going to do is a belly breath. So let's just be clear, this is not a Pilates style breath. This is a different style breath that's going to teach you how to engage your transverse abdominis. That's the muscle that's going to wrap around your center that holds you like a seatbelt. So the first thing we're going to do is breathe in through your nose. We're going to expand the belly as you take that breath. And then as you exhale, you're going to blow out as much as you possibly can, contracting the abdominals. Again, nice deep inhale through your nose, filling the belly, then exhale, blow, squeezing as deep as you possibly can. Third breath, and then we're going to hold it. Inhale. You want to take as big as a breath as you can, so as you exhale, you can squeeze as much as you can. Then you're going to hold that squeeze. We call that contracting the core, and keeping that contraction, we're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we take 10 breaths, blowing out. And now we're contracting those abdominals as we engage upper, lower, side, and everything. And then once you finish a set of 10, you're going to relax, and we're going to take a second set. So I like to do 3 in a row. So again, 3 deep belly breaths. Inhale. Exhale, blow out. Squeezing the abs all the way in. Again, inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Then we're going to hold that contraction, teaching stability as we count to 10. 1, 2, 3, shoulders stay wide, neck stays long. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 10 contractions as you breathe. And slowly relax. We're going to do one more set together, and let's just explain. Why we count to 10 is so that you don't hold your breath. So you want to make sure you count out loud so that way you're not holding your breath. You want to make sure you're not tensing in the neck or the shoulders. You're keeping everything nice and long. Now I'm going to do this third set sideways so you can see how it looks. So 3 deep belly breaths. Inhale, we expand. Exhale, blow out. Pull it in as much as you can. Again, inhale, expand. Exhale as you blow out, contracting the abdominals. One more, inhale. Exhale. Then you're going to hold that contraction, and we're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 10 exhalations. And rest. So as you practice this breath, I recommend doing 3 a day. You're going to notice that you're going to get a stronger seatbelt muscle, activating that transverse by teaching your body to stabilize, by holding the contraction, and then deepening the contraction. If you have any questions, feel free to message me below. If you like this video, please like it and then subscribe so you can get all the rest of the videos we're going to offer you in this series. Thank you and have a wonderful day.